Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a haul from 3 different stores. The first store is Dollar Tree, then it's Ross, and then Rainbow's. So first, let me start with Dollar Tree because it's small. Only got a few little items. The first stuff I picked up at Dollar Tree was these 2 Reese's cups. Nothing special. I'm always grabbing those, you know. And then I picked up a whole bunch of these cute socks. They're very, very thick. They're very thick and squishy. They're not like the cheap thin ones that, you know, get ruined. These are the white and black, and then this is plain black. So these are for men or women, whatever. I picked up this one here, and then this one here. It's like all black on one and blue and black on the other. So I got those at the Dollar Tree. Then I couldn't pass these up. Oh my God, they're beautiful, and I'm gonna use them for a DIY. Beautiful spring and summer project I'm going to do later on. I got these stickers right here. They're beautiful. They're the same. I got 2 of each. These are these beautiful little birds. And they're all glittery. You get blue, green, silver, golden, red, whatever it is. That's what it looks like on camera. But so pretty. And I had to get these. They're so pretty. I'm going to do a project with that. And then these I just couldn't pass up. These are glittery. And they look like they're going to pop out. And it's got like a little stone or something in the middle. Super pretty. They're beautiful butterflies. You get them in all colors. So I picked 2 of each. Because like I said, I'm going to be doing something with that. Really, really love that. It was so pretty. So I got those at Dollar Tree. Now for Ross. I picked up these white capris. Long jean capris. And they cuff at the bottom. They got the pockets all over like cargo pants. Really cute. And then it goes all the way down. And then you get the little cuffs at the bottom. Love these. I was glad to find those. I picked that up at Ross. And then also at Ross, I picked up another pair of these jeans. Super cute. They have all rips going from the top all the way down to the very, 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 very bottom. And then they're really tight jeans. Super cute. I got those. Oops, sorry guys. See if I can not wrinkle everything. So I got those. And then the last thing I picked up at Ross was this shirt. I got this from my son. This was the only one I seen left. It was super, super big. It's black. Well, not big. You know what I mean, like for a man. It's black. It says hustle. And it's got a blinged out swagged Popeye. Oh my God, look at that. He's all dressed like he's chilling. Look at this Popeye. Cute. So I had to get that. I got my son that. So that's what I picked up at Ross and in the Dollar Tree. Now for Rainbow. Rainbow's a store. They have all women's stuff and kids things. So I picked up this t-shirt. This is just a stretchy, simple V-neck. Yeah, it's a V-neck, royal blue little t-shirt. Sorry, guys, about having it all wrinkled. I grabbed everything out the bags. I got more cargo pants. These cuff at the bottom. Super comfortable. It's got the pockets going down, the belt, everything. These are army camouflaged. Because I have army camouflage jeans, but they're just straight leg jeans. And then I do have a couple capris, but they're like lighter, a little bit different. This is the dark, real army camouflage color. So I got me those. And then I picked up this, how you say it? It's like a different pattern. Something like a dye color. Jean has the cuff at the bottom, the same thing. It's got the belt. Let's see if I could pull them out a little bit. See how it has the pockets going down? They're super cute. I got me those. Little capris, tight jeans, whatever. And then I picked up this beautiful shirt. They have in all colors. It comes with this really pretty chain that hangs off of it. And you could take off the necklace, but it's a black, silky, you know, the air could go through. Beautiful material. And then it's got gold roses all over them. They also had it in red, and they also have it in white. It's a long, simple t-shirt with roses all over it. It was so beautiful, and I love the black and gold. So I picked that up. I didn't pick up the other colors. I just picked up the black and the gold. And then I picked up some Army camouflaged cute little denim shorts. It's got the cute waist and the pockets. And they're very, very short. They're not like Daisy Dukes, but they're still short, but they're not overly short. So I got these cute Army shorts. And then the last thing I picked up at the Rainbows is another shirt, V-neck, short sleeves, cute. And this is like a neon lemon, like a very light lemon yellow. So I just picked up that one. And that's it, guys. So that's all I picked up at Rainbow, Ross, and the Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching this quick little haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more soon again. Like I said, just stay a lookout for a lot of upcoming videos I'm going to be doing. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to go yet, but I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.